Hello, future email marketing superstar. Welcome to AWeber for Beginners. I'm your host, and I'm absolutely thrilled you're here. If you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or simply someone looking to truly connect with your audience and grow your brand online, then you've landed in the perfect place. Because we're about to unlock the single most effective digital marketing tool for sustainable growth: email marketing. Think about it. Social media algorithms change. Ad costs fluctuate, but your email list? That's your direct line to your most engaged customers. It's permission-based, personal, and powerful. And in this series, we're going to show you exactly how to harness that power, step by step, using one of the most trusted platforms out there. So, what exactly is AWeber? In a nutshell, AWeber is an incredibly user-friendly email marketing service designed to help you build relationships with your audience, promote your products or services, and drive sales, all through email. It's been around for ages, constantly evolving, and for good reason. For small businesses and entrepreneurs, AWeber acts as your digital communication hub. It allows you to collect email addresses from your website, create stunning email newsletters, automate follow-up sequences, and even build beautiful landing pages, all without needing any complicated coding knowledge. It takes the guesswork out of email marketing, giving you professional results with minimal fuss. Imagine sending perfectly branded emails that resonate with your subscribers, all with just a few clicks. That's the AWeber experience. Now, you might be thinking, there are so many email platforms out there, why AWeber? That's an excellent question, and it brings us to AWeber's key advantages, especially for beginners like you. Firstly, its intuitive interface. Seriously, AWeber is designed with ease of use in mind. You won't get lost in complicated menus. Everything is laid out logically, making it simple to navigate even if you've never sent a marketing email in your life. Secondly, AWeber offers an extensive library of professionally designed templates. Whether you need a sleek newsletter, a sales announcement, or a welcome email, there's a template ready for you. You can customize them with your own branding, colors, and content, making every email uniquely yours. No designer required. And finally, and this is a massive one, AWeber boasts excellent customer support. If you ever get stuck, have a question, or need a little guidance, their team is there for you. They're known for their prompt, friendly, and genuinely helpful service, which is invaluable when you're just starting out. Plus, they have tons of educational resources, tutorials, and a fantastic knowledge base to help you every step of the way. It's like having an expert by your side. Okay, so you understand the power of email marketing and why AWeber is such a brilliant choice. Now, let's talk about the exciting journey we're about to embark on together in this series. In our next episode, we'll dive straight into setting up your AWeber account and understanding the dashboard. We'll guide you through the sign-up process and give you a comprehensive tour of your new control center. Then, we'll move on to building your first email list. Because without subscribers, there's no one to email, right? We'll cover lead magnets and sign-up forms. Following that, we'll get creative and learn how to design engaging emails and newsletters that captivate your audience. After you've crafted amazing emails, we'll explore automating your email marketing with powerful autoresponders and campaigns. And of course, we'll show you how to create high-converting landing pages to collect those all-important email addresses. Finally, we'll empower you to track your success and optimize your strategy with AWeber's analytics, ensuring you're always improving. This isn't just about sending emails, it's about building a thriving online business. This series is designed to be your complete guide from total beginner to confident email marketer. But to truly succeed, there are two crucial things I need you to do right now. Firstly, click the link in the description below this video. That link will take you directly to AWeber, where you can start a free trial and begin exploring the platform for yourself. I want you to follow along with me in each episode, hands-on, to get the absolute most out of this series. Don't just watch, do. Secondly, adopt an eager learner's mindset. Email marketing is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Be curious, Be patient with yourself and embrace the learning process. You're not just learning a tool, you're learning a fundamental business growth strategy. And trust me, it's going to be incredibly rewarding. So, what are you waiting for? Your first step towards email marketing success is literally just a click away. Head down to the description, click that link, and get immediate access to an AWeber plan. Let's lay the foundation for your thriving online presence together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode where we set up your AWeber account.